This video will demonstrate how to use a pulse oximeter device at home to measure oxygen saturation. Warm your hands if cold. Rest for at least 5 minutes before taking your measurement. Rest your hand at the level of your heart and hold it still. Turn on the device by pressing the power button. There are usually two measurements displayed on the device: oxygen saturation, which is marked by the word SpO2 in percentage form, and pulse rate, which indicate heartbeats per minute. Place the device on your index or middle finger. Keep the device in place for at least 1 minute to have a steady reading. Write down the highest result shown once it has not changed for 5 seconds. Measure your oxygen saturation 3 times a day, morning, afternoon, and night. Take extra measurements if you feel unwell. If your oxygen saturation reading is 94% and below, repeat the measurement again. Call 999 if your oxygen saturation reading is persistently 94% and below. If your oxygen saturation reading is more than 94% but you have difficulty breathing or feel more ill, call 999. Thank you for watching.